Today we're going to be changing the blower motor resistor in our Dodge Charger. We're doing that because our air conditioning will only work on the highest setting, won't work on any 1, 2, or 3, just 4. By replacing that, we'll be able to get all the settings and have our air conditioning working properly. First we have to go in here, take our glove box out, pull down, and it pops right out. There are 2 tabs. There's a tab here and a tab here. Okay, just squeeze in on them, and your glove box will come right out. See the tabs. Next thing we have to do is take the sound barrier out from underneath here. There's 2 clips. There's one right here where my finger is, one here, and there's one over here. Ours obviously has been removed before, so this one just falls right out. But you'll have to take this clip out on yours if it hasn't been removed before. Take the sound carpeting out. Then you have access to your blower motor resistor, which is right here. Okay, there's a tab right here you have to undo with your finger. Pops right out. Now you might want to get a flathead screwdriver. Push up on the tab right here, and it pulls right out. So this is the tab right here. You can use your finger, I guess, but I use the screwdriver flathead just to push it out. Now we have 2 screws, 8mm right here and right here. This is the actual piece, the part, and we're going to take those out with our socket, ratchet, and extension. So now we have our screws out. Just pull it right out. So we got this part at AutoZone. It was $15, and that's their part number 20364. And you can go to AutoZone and get one for yourself. All right, let's plug it in and get her all hooked up. All right, our clip's back in. It's working. I did the trick. It's got these 3 hooks, so you just kind of have to line up here. Okay, so it's on that hook. There you go. Now it's on all 3 hooks. Kind of stands alone anyway. Let's get up here and get our rope so it doesn't go down too far. Place it like this. Oh yeah, these will kind of squeeze in anyway when you lift it up, just like that. Rope in. Now we have it. So if your air conditioning's not working on any of the settings except high, it's your blower motor resistor. It's a $15 part at AutoZone, and it's going to fix your problem. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.